This is Jeff Korhan, and today we're going to talk about how to use contracts to close deals. Conventional selling dictates that the contract doesn't enter the conversation until you are ready to close the sale. In fact, the mere appearance of a contract is considered to be a trial close. The truth is, the contract, what most of us prefer to call the agreement, is a communication tool. In my education session next week at Equip Expo, we'll take some time to talk about how to use contracts effectively. As a young salesperson, I feared contracts, and I know many others do because, well, they bring the conversation to a close, and that's stressful. But if it's in everyone's best interest, if it's a win-win, then there should be nothing to worry about. That's why you can and should have flexible contracts, because using them properly promotes trust, and that's what closes deals. Before starting my landscaping business, I was fortunate to work in the oil and gas industry. We commonly made deals in the millions of dollars, but I was surprised at how loose the contracting stage seemed to be. Because after all, a penny a gallon on a deal for millions of dollars was a lot of money. These details were taken care of, but, and this is important, always respectfully and courteously. Everything ultimately had to go through legal, but above all, we insisted on clear language that honored the promises we made. Contracts should indeed hold people accountable, and there are right ways and wrong ways to do that. I'll show you how. The best agreements can help you, number one, improve your cash flow, 2, simplify change orders, 3, hold clients accountable, 4, streamline communications, and number 5, my favorite, encourage upsells. That's right, when you take the client to the finish line, that's actually the best time to ask them if they may want to go a little further. So if you like what you're hearing, I look forward to seeing you in Louisville next Thursday afternoon or Wednesday morning if you happen to be doing the 5K fun run, as I will be. I'll see you there.